Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix MacBook not connecting to Wi-Fi. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. First of all, you want to click on the Apple icon here and go to System Settings. Once you are here, you want to click on Wi-Fi. And on Wi-Fi, you want to go to Details right there. After you are here, you want to make sure that no proxies here are connected. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to click on your Wi-Fi and click Forget this network. After that, click Forget, and basically it will remove it from here. After that, you want to go ahead and restart your MacBook. After you will restart it, you want to go ahead to the system settings again. Again, go to Wi-Fi and then connect. Now, once you will be connected, to go to Details. On Details, you want to go to DNS, and here on DNS, you want to write down a few servers. So one would be 88888. This is Google's, and you want to add another one, which is 8844. And now it should fix your problem. If that didn't work, you want to go ahead, hold your Options key on your keyboard. Hold your Options key, go to the Wi-Fi icon at the top, and you will see Open Wireless Diagnostics. So you want to click on it. And then you're gonna click Continue, and basically it will automatically detect any problem and fix it. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.